Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kum shibinta ban kantiyo ka Shna film hakani ka Jylla Meghalaya. Katna Films Festival jong ka sorkar pedeng kalapalong ya kelempong pen inam ya ki documentary film ki balapau hakari bat na ki weru kiri jong ka perthai. Ya kanila pen pau da director jong katna Film Festival uvi Paki Risami Pillai. Haka jingkendo bat kinong pathai kubor haka arpsan terek matau benai leber arja kat kandai ha Shillong Press Club ringkat ka jinan lang u head of department jong ka Department of Journalism and Mass Communication jong ka Sekolah North Eastern Hill University Shillong kabaya trelang ban pelong ikini kelempong kajing peni ki documentary film hakani kelempong kabala tep kum ka Mumbai International Film Festival kan long hakilai Sngi lenter bat nalor kajing peni ikini ki film haki shipau Sngi lenter on pelong ru ya kelempong a Jinghikai na kabanta ki Samla ki badang pule hakaba on jet tang arphongot baro bat on phia eki haki arkan hon.
This is how the festival is very popular in Europe, especially Europe and America and some of the East Asian countries. And of course, last year we could make inroads even in South Africa, South America. So that is why the participation is huge in this festival. So what we do is, the purpose of this Mid-Film Meghalaya is, all those films around, I think 13 films we have, all the films are award-winning films of the last festival or even one festival earlier. So that at least the award-winning films be seen by the people in Meghalaya, particularly the young people. Even this 10 days filmmaking workshop, that's very interesting actually. This we started in 2014, I think, only in Northeast for the benefit of the Northeastern students, the young people from Northeast. The media scenario is very encouraging. We thought that we will give some hands-on training, hands-on experience to the young people. We actually give the camera to them. They make films within 10 days. 3 days of ideation, 3 days of introduction and ideation, 3 days of shooting, and next 3 days of editing. And some of the films are wonderful. The students themselves made, of course, we are there behind them. We as mentors, apart from, I'm from film division, I'm a director in film division. I have another colleague and we have a team of 6 people. Plus we have invited mentors from outside. For example, this year we have invited, we are lucky to have a person who has won the national award last year as a director, best director national award. This is going to help, definitely this will help the young people. But this year we have collaborated again with the NEHU, and all the students of second year students of NEHU journalism department is part of this. I am sure we will come up with a very good films.